Apple has done it again with the magnificent Apple Watch Series 6 model. Let's examine this most recent addition to Apple's watch family in detail. We will thoroughly examine this watch to see if it's worth your time and money. However, I would like to give a disclaimer before we continue. I only write a review from a product I've personally tasted and used. Thus, you are sure to get my perspective from my side, or rather the user's side, and not from the company's specification. And also, this is not a paid review. This is an honest outlook from my own experience and exposure. If you're looking for a device that will keep you connected to the world and help you stay fit and healthy, then Apple Watch Series 6 might be the best option for you. Additionally, in order to determine whether or not Apple Watch Series 6 is well worth your money, we'll investigate in greater depth, so stay tuned. Number 1, let's take a look at the design of Apple Watch Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 6 is designed to be stylish and useful at the same time. As the user, this is done so that you can enjoy both class and maximum performance. This most recent Apple Watch will undoubtedly draw attention due to its sleek and contemporary design. Fans of the sport will also be able to tell it right away. The 40mm and 44mm version of the watch are available in space gray, gold, and silver. Additionally, it is available in selection of colors and finishes. The watch has an always-on retina display that makes it simple to glance over notifications and other information. This is very useful if you receive a lot of notifications. Some will argue that the design of the watch is merely aesthetic. The design of Apple Watch Series 6 is more than just pretty. In addition, it has been constructed to last. The watch is ideal for water sports like swimming, surfing, and other water sports because it can withstand water up to 50 meters. We are going to take a comprehensive look not only at how well it works, but also at the amazing features and benefits it offers at the moment. And so, hold on tight. The watch also has a ceramic and sapphire crystal back that not only safeguards your wrist, but also adds its durability. Let's quickly take a look at the actual appearance of the Apple Watch Series 6. You can quickly access features like apps, notifications, and of course, Siri thanks to this side of the button and digital crown. Additionally, digital crown makes it simple to navigate and scroll through the watch interface, which makes it extremely satisfying to scroll up and down. Apple's Watch Series 6 has a built-in speaker and microphone so that they can make calls, send messages, and listen to music without having to be near the phone. Don't stress, this can be thoroughly examined in the features section. The Apple Watch Series 6 is truly agreeable to wear on the grounds that the watch band is a significant piece of the plan. Your hand will not feel really squeezed or hurt. Adjustment on the band are also simple and comfortable. The watch comes with sport band by default, but you can also get a leather link, solo loop, or braided solo loop band. With these bands, which come in variety of colors and designs, you can customize your watch to suit your taste and style. Additionally, the brand new family setup function of the Apple Watch Series 6 permits you to link multiple watches to a single account. This feature will be useful to families who want to keep in touch even when they are on a move. Just think how convenient it will be to be able to communicate with your loved ones from any location in just one account. This could be adorable with lovely young lovers, mature couples, or spouses who are insecure. I can confidently assert that Apple Watch Series 6 design successfully combines style and functionality. Having tested it in public, people are really drawn to it. That indicates that it can be loved and it's lovable. Due to its sleek and contemporary design, durable construction, and customizable bands, the watch is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a smartwatch that is both stylish and useful. Majority of people inquire about the features of the Apple Watch before making a purchase so that they can be able to make an educated decision regarding their investment. What sets the Apple Watch Series 6 apart from the rival models? You can be rest assured that it will provide an in-depth analysis of the watch's unique features so that you can be able to determine whether or not you're making the right decision. One of the most significant new features of Apple Watch Series 6 is the capability to measure your blood oxygen levels, which is the top feature. Guys, hospitals and other similar medical facilities were the only places where this could be available. People like you and I couldn't easily access it. A scan would require a trip to the hospital. You can now use this feature from any location that works for you. In order to determine how effectively your body absorbs oxygen, this feature uses infrared light to measure the color of your blood. This information may be helpful in identifying potential health issues like pneumonia, asthma, and sleep apnea. It could also be used as a business idea or venture by college and university students and local family members, thereby paying them to help find potential health problems. Some will even rent their watches and use the Apple Watch Series 6 for an individual health checkup. In addition, it has been reported that they have pursued additional monetization opportunities for their extravagant watch that earned a pitiful sum from them. You can also take an ECG reading from your wrist because the watch has an ECG sensor. Atrial fibrillation, a condition that can lead to heart failure or stroke, can be detected with its assistance. The FDA has approved this feature, which can help you catch a heart condition early and potentially save your life. By including these wonderful features in its device, Apple clearly demonstrates demonstrates that it has made significant investments in the well-being of its customers. The Apple Watch Series 6 includes new fitness and activity tracking features such as dance and functional strength training workout tracking. You will feel a sense of responsibility for your workout time thanks to the new feature. The Apple also has new sleep tracking feature that can help you sleep better and learn more about your sleeping patterns. Tossing and turning or nighttime awakening brought on by sporadic sleep can be detected by trackers. Some sleep tracking devices can track off your sleep patterns and set your alarm to go off when you're not getting as much sleep. Another new feature of Apple's Watch Series 6 is the ability to record a Siri voice message. You can record a message, set a reminder, or we send a message with this feature. Let's talk about the connectivity of the Apple Watch Series 6. This one simply astonishes. The Apple Watch Series 6 connectivity is quicker and more dependable. You can stream music, make calls, and send text messages without having to be near your phone because it has a strong inbuilt GPS and cellular data. This feature might be ideal for you if you don't want to carry your phone when you go on outdoor activities. This robust connectivity, which is absent from the majority of watches, is actually my favorite feature. You ought to probably try this. The Apple Watch Series 6 brand new family setup feature lets you link multiple watches to a single account. The Apple Watch Series 6 has a battery life of up to 18 hours. This is sufficient for an entire day, even if you use the new features frequently. The watch also has a brand new feature, power saving mode, that has a potential to extend the battery life even further. This will be discussed in greater details in the benefits section soon. Before we discuss about the benefits, here's a brief overview of the watch. The ability to measure blood oxygen levels and take an ECG reading from your wrist, and extremely useful features that help you to live a healthy life. The Apple Watch Series 6 is currently available for purchase on Apple's official website, as well as authorized retailers such as Best Buy, Amazon, B&H Photo. The pricing of the Apple Watch Series 6 varies depending on the model and size you choose. The 40mm GPS model starts at $399 and 44mm GPS model starts at $429. The cellular version of the 40mm starts at $499 and 44mm starts at $529 US. It's important to note that there are different finishes and materials available such as aluminum and stainless steel, which can affect the price. There are also a variety of different bands available such as solo loop, which can also affect the price. Visit www.apple.com/shop. Watch for the most up-to-date pricing and available information if you are interested in purchasing an Apple Watch Series 6. Before making a purchase, it's a good idea to compare prices and look for deals. Amazon and a website called Camel are two options. Camel basically displays the product's pricing history, allowing you to determine whether you're getting a good deal or not. We make a lot of efforts while creating this content. Thus, we also value your feedback, whether positive or negative. You are always welcomed. You can write your comment in the comment section below in this video. You can also comment and tell us your thoughts on what gadget or technological advancement we should research. Till next time, bye bye.